Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits easy. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl until they are well combined. This initial step ensures an even distribution of leavening agents, which is crucial for light and fluffy biscuits. It's a simple start to a delicious treat. Next, we'll add the fat. Take 6 tablespoons of very cold butter and cut it into small, pea-sized pieces. The colder the butter, the flakier your biscuits will be. Gently work the butter into the flour mixture using your fingertips or a pastry blender. You want the mixture to look like coarse crumbs with some visible butter chunks. This technique creates steam pockets during baking, leading to those wonderful layers. Now it's time for the liquid. Slowly pour in 3/4 of a cup of very cold milk or buttermilk. Mix just until the dough comes together in a shaggy mass. Be careful not to overmix. Overmixing develops gluten, making biscuits tough. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it about 5 or 6 times. This minimal kneading helps create a tender texture. Finally, we'll shape and bake our biscuits. Roll the dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting. Place the cut biscuits onto a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and have risen high. Enjoy your warm, homemade biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.